everything geared up here. We're gonna head for our stand location. Awesome spot, man. These guys have got over 3,000 square miles of territory. This spot been saving for us. Nobody's hunted it yet this year, so they're pretty geeked for us to get in there. Almost as geeked as we are. Man, we're getting ready in the lodge here this afternoon after lunch. And guys here are like, mosquitoes aren't that bad yet. As you can see around my face right here, they're starting to get pretty bad. And they said, with all due fairness, there's a good chance they will get worse the longer we are here, because it's really starting to warm up this week. I'm not one to be like, oh, this product's great or that product's this. But I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm impressed with Lethal's no ticks, man. You can see these mosquitoes are flying all around me. When we came in, we didn't have our mask in. We hadn't sprayed no ticks. What you'll see is they don't want to land on me. When I was climbing up the stand, even when I first got into the stand and was trying to strap in, man, these things were just pelting my face. Matter of fact, my mustache right here is swollen right now. I got bit so many times. But the second we start to spray this on us, this is what we got. They'll still fly around us, but you get used to that. At least they're not just biting the heck out of you. So, hey, no ticks, dude. This stuff is for sure working. Yep. Yep. Man, that is. Ears to the side, it has a crease. You want to see it compared to a barrel with it. Just turn going back that way. Last I saw, I was walking that way about 40 yards. You know what I think that was? I think that was a boar scent chicken. His ears weren't real tiny, but they set like this. And he had a crease in his head. And when he turned sideways, he had a pretty good stomach to him, man. Our sit here at Agassiz in Manitoba has been pretty eventful. Saw a few bears, and saw one good bear right out of the gate. Just unfortunately it didn't work out. When we weren't seeing bears, we were seeing mosquitoes, which there are a lot of. I will tell you though, man, like, sure is beneficial to now understand why at nets are so important. It's been an interesting thing to get used to, having hundreds of mosquitoes buzzing around your head. But it's June in Manitoba, so I don't know what more or what less I should expect. Man, we have been having a great time here at Agassiz Outfitters in Manitoba. Our first sit, we saw minimum, I'll say 5 different bears. I know I just very confident in saying it was 5 different bears. Just getting into our setup here today, and I'm expecting that we're going to have another great day. So weather's supposed to kind of break here for us, and we got some sunshine coming towards the end of the day. Should be a good set. I'm going to get snuggled in here, try to hide from these darn mosquitoes, and we're going to have a good day. No-brainer. He looks huge. Snuck up on us. I turned around to say something to Jordan, and I looked, and right there at 12 yards, he's standing right there, and he wasn't looking at us yet. But as I was trying to tell Jordan, bear, like big bear, he looks up and he sees us, and like bluffs. And I went, and he made a circle around us right here, and there were a couple places where I might have had a shot, but I wanted to get a for sure good look at him, like no-brainer out of the gate, wide, big head. He circled back around over to here. Just hoping for good things. I think that we stuck it pretty good. I didn't get a pass through, and you'll see that on the footage, but I think that's why I stuck that offside shoulder, so. to stay quiet because this is a really good area. I'm gonna try not to booger it up too much, but look at how big this thing is, dude. Oh, golly. Man, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Man, we said that we got here. We just gotta have that feeling that this was gonna be a good one. And we've talked already about how the community and the lifestyle here, this whole crew behind us, man, Rick, Colleen, Jordan, Greg, everybody, they've been great. I've not talked much about this yet, but I don't know that I've even talked to you about it, Jordan, but I lost a really good friend of mine to suicide last week, and his funeral was yesterday. And, you know, we share this lifestyle and this activity. It gives us an opportunity to talk to a lot of people. And I've still got a lot of mixed emotions about it and how it all went down. But the one thing I've settled on is, even with talking to a good buddy that I've known for a lot of years, just 2 weeks ago, and him saying everything was great and having a lot of good things going in his life, I didn't ask enough questions. And like we said, lifestyle and community is very important. And I've been reminded of that since the time I walked in the door here at Agassi Outfitters with the whole crew. So talk to your friends, talk to your people, use hunting as an opportunity to do it. We've got a great group of people here, and we're being reminded by that. We're gonna get to celebrate with a great harvest here. Big old black bear, we've been blessed. Never apologize for your right to hunt. Celebrate what opportunities we have here at the Given Right. Good luck to Mark. We hope it's gonna work out. Thank you to these guys. Man, it's been a great adventure here, and I know it's only beginning. What a bear.
Hey guys, for more great content from TGR like you just saw, Ken and Lee, what do they have to do?
Hit that like and subscribe button.
And go turn on those notifications
So that you know when our next piece comes.